Udarata dances, a traditional dance form of Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. Udarata dances are a traditional dance form that originated in the Central Highlands of Sri Lanka. Among the various Sinhala dance traditions, Udarata dances hold a prominent place. Today, this tradition has spread widely among the Sinhala people across all regions of Sri Lanka. Until the late 19th century, this dance was restricted to men only. In the present day, female participation in Udarata dances has also become widespread. Main regions: Kandy, Udu Nuwara, Yatinuwara, Hatarakorale, Hatarakorale, Dumbara, Harispattuwa. Main instrument: Geta Beraya, not confirmed. Details: foot movements equals 12, hand movements equals 12, needs clarification. History: according to folklore, a king who ruled during ancient times dreamt of a cobra jumping onto his body. According to the beliefs of the time, the dream was considered to be a curse from Kuweni, leading the king to fall severely ill. To cure the illness, a group of exorcists from India was summoned at the king's request, and they performed a ritual known as Kohomba Kankaria. The king was said to have fully recovered, and this event is recorded in history as the origin of the Udarata traditional dance. This dance tradition also gave rise to a special caste within the Udarata kingdom that was associated with this ritual and was responsible for performing rituals for the Temple of the Tooth Relic. They were also recognized as the main dancers in the Temple of the Tooth Relic procession. With the British conquest of the Udarata kingdom, this traditional dance form, along with the kingdom, declined. However, after gaining independence, the remnants of this unique art form were revived, and today, the Udarata dance tradition remains a significant part of Sri Lankan traditional dance. According to legends, Udarata dance is believed to have first originated in Sri Lanka through the Kohomba Kankaria ritual, performed by a group of Indian exorcists who came to the island. According to the legends, these Indian exorcists were brought to Sri Lanka to heal King Pandu Vasudeva, who had become incurably ill after being afflicted by the curse that Kuweni had cast on Prince Vijaya. The king revealed that he frequently dreamt of a cobra attacking him, causing him great distress. It was believed that this was due to a magical spell cast by Kuweni, the first queen of Prince Vijaya. After performing the Kohomba Kankaria ritual, the illness was completely cured, drawing much attention from the locals. The tradition was initially introduced by a rare caste of dancers appointed by the Udarata monarchy. These dancers were employed at the Temple of the Tooth Relic and played a special role in the annual Temple of the Tooth Relic procession. The popularity of this traditional dance system, which flourished under the patronage of the Udarata kings, declined somewhat during British rule. In recent times, however, it has been revitalized and adapted to fit the modern stage, standing out as a fundamental element of Sri Lankan culture.